Hello kids, I hope you are staying safe and happy. So as all of you know, I started this series Anyone Can Learn English in my previous video, and we discussed verbs as part of part 1 in my previous session. Today we will be talking about part 2, which is verbs versus person types. And we will also be using magic word ing and we will see the difference. Let's see to find more. So this video is about, let's recall nouns, person types and verb. So I have created videos for all these topics. If you have not watched those videos, go and watch them first. It will be a very good thing to learn for having a better understanding in today's video. Then we will mix them together. Nouns, person types and verb. I will be mixing them. And then we will be discussing verb with singular form, verb with plural form. Then we will add ing, which will be a very magical thing to see. And then I will be practicing an old example where we will use ing with a verb. Then there is picture composition time. So watch till end and have fun learning. Let's go to next page. So let's recall nouns, person types and verb first. So a noun is also called a calling name to call a person, thing, animal or place. So a noun is a word which is used to call a person, thing, animal or place. So for example, I am a person and my name is Manpreet Kaur. People call me Manpreet. Okay. Then there is person type. A grammatical person is a category to distinguish between speaker, listener and the subject of conversation. So I am a speaker right now. You are the listener who is watching this video and listening to me. And subject of this conversation is English subject and specifically English grammar. And then verb. Words which show what a noun does are called verbs. They are also called action words. Sometimes a verb ends in ing to show what people or things are doing. Let me take one example. I am Manpreet Kaur. So proper noun is Manpreet. Manpreet teaches English. Okay. And if I use ing with this verb teach, it will become I am teaching English. Manpreet is teaching English. So see the magic of this ing. So let's see more in next page. So let's mix them together and see. Common noun, boy. Proper noun, Rahul. Person type, he, which is a third person type. Plural form of boy is boys. And plural form of person type is they. So he is a third person type. So plural form of third person type is they here. Likewise, girl. Proper noun can be Pari. We can have many other names examples here. Pari, then we can have Tia. Any example which you like, you can put in here. Any name as proper noun. Person type is she because it's a girl, so she is used as third person type. Plural form girls and plural form of person type here is they again. So other bird, city, table, they all have person type it, which is again a third person type. Plural forms are birds, cities, tables, and plural form of person type is they. So he, she, it, singular person type. third person it is specifically, and plural form of third person type is they. So he, she, it, they, third person type. Let's go to next page. Okay. So person type first, singular form is I, person type plural is we. So I am Manpreet. We are studying. Okay, we all are studying. So plural form of first person type is we. I am studying, we are studying are the examples. Second person type is you, singular form. Plural form of second person type is also you. Let's go to next page and add the verb. Okay, yeah, let's add a verb now. So common noun is boy, proper noun is Rahul, person type he. We saw in previous page, one of the previous pages. So verb is wake here, wake, but we added s. Rahul wakes up. Girl. Pari goes to school or she goes to school. Here we added es. And then because it is ending with vowel o, so we are adding es. And then bird, birdie. It lives in a nest. Birdie lives in a nest. Here s is added, and then city, Delhi. And then it is the person type, which is third person type. This city gets nominated every year for Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So table, study table. It is the person type. Study table falls from the bed mistakenly. Fall. Fall is the verb. We added s here. Let's go to next page to find more about verbs. So, common noun boy, plural form is boys. Here, plural form of person type is they. We use person type as plural form for boys. Boys run very fast. They run very fast. Girls like bright clothes. Girls, they like bright clothes. So, we didn't add s here because it is plural form of a common noun. And then birds chirp in the nest. And then cities. Metro cities develop very fast. Let's go to next page. What to add here? Let's see. So here is first person type and second person type. Singular form is I for first person and plural form for first person type is we. I wake up early in the morning. So wake. So with first person we are not adding s with the verb. And then we go to park every day, which is plural form of first person. We go to park every day. Second person is you, singular form. Plural form of second person is also you. So you run very fast. You all run very fast. See, we didn't add s anywhere. Wherever first person type is used and second person type is used, irrespective of which form it is. If it is a singular form also, then also we do not add s. If it is plural form, then also we do not add s or es with the verb. Let's go to next page. So it is conclusion. We add s or es with a verb when we talk about third person, singular common noun and proper noun. So when we talk about singular third person, he, she, it, singular common noun, boy, girl, city, bird, and proper noun, Rahul, Tia, Delhi. Right, let's go to next point. We do not add s or es with verb when we use first and second person. We just saw that we do not add s or es with verb when we use any singular form of first person and second person, and with plural form of both of these also we do not use s and es with the verb. Let's go to next point. Do not add s and es with verb while talking about plural forms of common nouns. Right? If boys is there, we need not to add s. If girls, need not to add s. Right? If plural form of third person is there, then also need not to use s or es. They do not use s or es. Let's go to next page. Okay, let's go back to same example. So in my previous video, I took this example. It is part of that example. Rahul wakes up. Rahul is proper noun. S is being used. Rahul is singular. So S is used here. And we cannot have plural form of proper nouns. We cannot say Rahuls. So Rahul wakes up. Rahul and Tia wake up. So here two persons are there. So plural form, we can say it is plural. There are many people, more than one person. So wake up. We will not add s here with the verb. He brushes teeth. They brush their teeth. We didn't add es in the second line, brush, because they is plural form of third person. He takes a bath. They take a bath. He wears his uniform. They wear their school uniforms. Okay, I hope the idea is clear now. Oh wow, this picture is so cute. It's a scene from classroom. So time to add magic word ing with verb. So it is a classroom. Rahul is flying plane in the class. Fly is a verb ing. I'm adding to show what the person is doing right now. So when we need to talk about a noun and what the noun is doing right now at this moment, then we need to add ing. Or was doing at a moment, then we need to use ing with the verb. If you see, there is one extra word, is. Helping verb is added whenever we use ing with the verb. We will talk more about it in my next video. So is a helping verb. Fly is a verb ing. We added to explain what the noun is doing right now. Tia is stopping Rahul. Stop is the verb ing is used to explain what Tia is doing right now. Teacher is teaching maths. He is writing some sum on the board. So teacher is teaching maths. Teach is the verb ing is used to show what the teacher exactly doing in the class right now. Boy is writing in his notebook. This boy is writing something. So write is the verb and ing is used to show what the boy is doing right now. I hope you enjoyed this example. Let's go to next page. Oh wow, picture composition. To explain ing. If you see kids are playing. So kids is plural form of kid. So we used are, not is. Kids are playing. We will talk about is, am, are in my next video. Dog is running. If you see dog is running, there is a cute dog in this video. He is running. And the boy is running after the dog. So he is running after the dog. Granny is sitting on the bench. I am playing with my dog. Girl is riding a scooty. We are studying English. We all are studying English. I hope you are enjoying this session. Hey, thank you for watching. If you like it, you hit the like button, share it too with your friends and subscribe my channel for more videos. Keep studying and have fun.